So last day we had seen the rules of debit and credits. In that, so what do you mean by debit? What do you mean by credit? Means whether the transactions are to be shown on the left hand side of an account is known as debit. If a transaction is to be shown on the right hand side of an account is known as credit. And what do you mean by account? So what do you mean by account? Anyone? Aparna, what do you mean by account?
So in order to have a clear idea about each item of assets, liability, expense, gain, loss, we would prepare a separate statement of transaction called as account.
Okay, that is known as account. Very good. So then we studied the rule. Two rules are there. Golden rules of accounting and modern rules of accounting. Golden rules of accounting and modern rules of accounting. So under golden rules means traditional approach. Under golden rules of accounting, we studied the three types of account: real account, personal account, and nominal account. So what is the rule of real account? Karthik, what is the rule of real account?
Sir, debit what comes in and credit what goes out.
Debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Next, so I will ask some general entries. Purchased furniture for cash. Purchased furniture for cash. What is the general entry? And it purchased furniture for cash.
Sir, furniture, debit account.
Okay. Furniture account at 2. Furniture account at 2. Cash account.
Cash account.
Furniture account at 2. Cash account. Next, sold motor car for cash. Sold motor car for cash. Atul, sold motor car for cash.
Sir, cash is debit report.
Okay, cash account debit to missionary account. Cash account debit to missionary account. Next, Tomlin, purchased machinery for cash. Purchased machinery for cash.
Sir, machinery debited.
Machinery account debit to cash account.
Cash account.
Okay, machinery account debit to cash account. Next, Shubham Pal, purchased goods for cash. Purchased goods for cash.
Sir, goods account cash.
So instead of goods, what we have to write if it is purchased goods? Purchase. Okay, purchase account debit to cash account. Next, Hanna Salim, sold goods for cash. What is the entry? Sold goods for cash.
Cash account added to sales account.
Very good. Cash account added to sales. Cash account added to sales. Femina, sold machinery for cash. Sold machinery for cash.
Cash account added to.
Yes, cash account debit to machinery account. Very good. Next, anything? Okay. These are the things we studied in the which one? A real account. Then personal account I discussed. So it includes the natural personal account, it's the names of the individual. Then artificial personal account, name of the firm, and the representative personal account means the account represents a particular person or a group of persons. Already we studied the adjustments. What are the adjustments? Outstanding expenses, So it is related with the person. You have to pay to some persons. Income received in advance related to persons or a group of persons. Then accrued income, outstanding expense, outstanding income. Then income received in advance. Then prepaid expense paid in advance. So everything related with the persons. Then what is the rule? What is the rule related with the personal account? So you write, rule is debit the receiver, debit the receiver and credit the giver. Debit the receiver and credit the giver. Okay, so this is the rule is debit the receiver and credit the giver. So this is the rule of personal account. Debit the receiver and credit the giver. So real account we said, what is the rule? Debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Here the rule is debit the receiver and credit the giver. Debit the receiver and credit the giver. Okay, so here you have to understand, so it is related with the name of persons or company, that is personal account. So here what you have to look at, debit the receiver and credit the giver. Then one thing you have to remember, whether cash is received, so in this account the items related with the cash also will come. So if it is a cash, real account means if cash is received, cash debit. This correct, no? If cash is received, cash debit. Suppose sold goods for cash, cash will be debit. This correct? Suppose purchased goods, cash will go, cash credit. That you have to think in this rule, whether cash is, if cash is received, cash debit. If cash is paid, cash credit. So in a one transaction, the two item will be there, account will be there, person and cash. Person and cash. Then one thing you have to remember, if cash is received, cash debit. If cash is paid, cash credit. Then related with the person, debit the receiver. So in this transaction, the person is, if it is the receiver, that person will be debit. So in the transaction, if that person is a giver, that person will be credit. Then you have to debit cash or bank. Not understood. Suppose cash is received from Shubham. Cash is received from Shubham. Cash is received from Shubham. Look, here cash is received. If cash is received, cash will be what? It is a real account, cash. So debit or credit? Cash is received, cash, debit or credit? Anyone? If cash received, cash, debit or credit?
Credit.
Debit. Cash is debit. So cash is received from Shubham. You tell that here Shubham is giver or receiver? He is a giver or receiver?
Giver.
Giver. Is it correct? Giver. So he is a giver. He given the cash. Cash received from Shubham. So Shubham is given. So Shubham is giver. So what do we have to do? What is the rule? Debit the receiver and credit the giver. So example, you write first one. Example. First example you write, then you will understand. Cash is received from Shubham. Cash is received from Shubham. Rupees 10,000. What is the journal? So here first you have to look here Shubham is giver. So we know that credit the giver. Credit the giver. Is it correct? Here cash is received. We know already real account. Debit what comes in? Cash is real account. So what comes in? Cash. So entry will be cash account, small letters C, debit to Shubham account. Shubham account. 10,000. Debit 10,000. Credit 10,000. Any doubts? Cash is received from Shubham. First you have to look Shubham is giver or receiver. Here in this case Shubham is giver. Shubham given amount. So he will be credit. Debit will be cash. So any doubt related with this journal? Cash received from Hadi? Any doubt? Hadi, Femina, turn on your video. Any doubts? Hadi, any doubts? Cash is received from Shubham. Okay, no. Femina, Irfan, turn on your video. So next question you write. Second question. Cash paid to Karthik. Second question. Cash paid to Karthik. Cash paid to Karthik rupees 5,000. Cash paid to Karthik rupees 5,000. So cash paid to Karthik 5,000. So what is journal? First you look at whether Karthik is a giver or receiver. Shubham? Receiver. Okay, receiver. So receiver will be debit or credit? Tell. Anat. Debit or credit?
Debit.
Debit. So entry will be, Anat, you tell the entry. Cash paid to Karthik. Karthik, spelling wrong. Entry will be Karthik account debit to Shubham. Karthik account debit to Shubham. Cash paid to Karthik. So Karthik account debit to Atul. Anila, what is the
Cash
name?
account.
Karthik account to?
Cash account.
Cash account.
Cash account.
5,000. Okay. Next. Third transaction. Cash deposited into bank. Cash deposited into bank. Cash deposited into bank. Rupees 20,000. Cash deposited into bank. Rupees 20,000. Aparna, what is the journal? Cash deposited into bank. Here firm, bank. Okay. What is salary? Debit will be?
Sir,
Yes,
bank account
debit
debit
to
cash account
yes, to cash
to cash
account.
account.
Very good. Okay. So bank account debtor to cash account. Sorry. Okay. Next transaction. Cash withdrawn from bank. Cash withdrawn from bank. Cash withdrawn from bank. So we withdrawn cash from bank. Anjo, cash withdrawn from bank.
Cash account.
Very good. Cash account debit to
Bank account.
yes, very good. Cash account debit to bank account. Cash account debit to bank account. Next, Anjo started business with cash. Anjo started business with cash. So starting time, if they are investing any amount, that is known as amount invested by the owner for starting the business.
Capital.
Capital, very good. Okay, so he invested cash. So it is implied capital is the amount. Capital is a personal account. So it is related with a person. They won't mention that the capital. So it is a capital. So he invested 50,000 for starting the business. So what is the salary? Anuj? Started business with cash. You look at that. So accounting equation, you look at accounting equation, cash and capital. Cash and capital. You tell that here capital, debit or credit, receiver or giver, that person, capital.
Giver.
Giver. Very good. So entry will be cash account
Debit to.
debit to Anjo's capital. So persons, if a person is there, you have to write Anjo's capital account. Okay, 50,000. Okay, capital also, drawings also. So I am explaining everything. Started a business with the cash. Cash account at a 2, Anand's capital. Started a business with cash. That is implied, that is capital. Starting time, if they invest any amount, that is capital. So cash and capital only this one. So capital here, capital is a giver. That person given the amount. So that's why credit. Next, so related with the capital only, one drawings, that is also related with this one. So you write withdrew cash for personal use. Withdrew cash for personal use, rupees 2000. Withdrew cash for personal use. In basic accounting terms, cash or goods withdrawn by the owner for personal use, it is known as the term amount of
Drawings.
cash or assets withdrawn by the owner for personal use, it is
Drawings.
known as drawings. Very good. Okay, drawings. It is for personal use. So what is the genre? Here drawings is there. They won't specify the drawings, that is personal use means drawings. So here you tell that here drawings, that it is related with the owner. Receiver or giver withdrew cash. He withdrew, that person, that drawings. Receiver or giver. Karthik, receiver or giver, drawings.
Receiving.
Receiver, very good. So entry will be drawings, account debit to cash account. If you don't cash gone. Cash gone means what goes out, that is credit. So 2000. Drawings account to cash. Any doubt related with the 5 and 6? Started business with the cash means capital. That is capital. You look giver or receiver. Giver. That person, that it is related with the owner. He given. So that's why credit. Debit will be cash. Withdrew cash for personal use. Personal use means drawings. Drawings here means he withdrew. He got the cash. He receiver. So that's why drawing. So our firm cash gone. If cash is received, cash. If firm's point of view, you think firm's point of view, company point of view. If cash is received, cash debit. If cash is given, cash credit. Okay. Next, some more transaction I will give. Suppose withdrew. Next transaction. Withdrew cash from bank for personal use. Rupees 5,000. Here one thing. So compared to last question, what? Last question, withdrew cash for personal use. That is drawings only, drawings account to cash. Here means from bank only. He withdrawn. Same, debit same only. Drawings, receiver only. Credit will be what? Anyone? Credit will be?
Bank account.
Yes, very good. Correct. Credit will be correct. Drawings account debit to bank account. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me, because so after that you can solve any problem. Okay. So that's why I am giving more examples. Next, sir. So everything cash paid to this one related with the drawings, capital. Next, anything? Cash deposit bank, anything we wrote. Okay, very well, clear. Okay, so these are the transactions. Now you understood? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Okay, then one thing you have to remember, if cash is received, cash debit. If cash is paid, cash credit. So one example I will ask, cash is received from Basil. What is the journal, Hanna? Cash is received from Basil.
Cash account
Correct.
to
Cash account debit to Basil account. Next, Anila. Cash is paid to Aditya. Cash is paid to Aditya. Cash paid to Aditya.
Aditya.
Correct. Aditya account to cash. Next, cash is deposited into bank. Cash is deposited into bank. Aparna. Cash is deposited into bank.
Bank account debit to
Yes.
cash account.
Bank account debit to cash account. Karthik, cash withdrawn from bank. Cash is withdrawn from bank. One thing you have to remember, cash is withdrawn from bank for office use and cash is withdrawn from bank, it is same. Cash withdrawn from bank and cash withdrawn from bank for office, not personal, for office use, that's same. So what is the entry?
Cash account debit to bank account.
Very good. Cash account debit to bank. Next, withdrew cash for personal use. Withdrew cash for personal use. Tomlin. Withdrew cash for personal use.
Sir, drawings account.
Drawings account debit to cash account.
Cash account.
Okay. Drawings account to cash account. Next, Aditya withdrew cash from bank for personal use. Withdrew cash from bank for personal use. Withdrew cash from bank for personal use. For personal use.
Drawings account.
Yes, drawings account at to bank or cash. Withdrew cash from bank.
Bank account.
Bank. Okay. Withdrew cash from bank. Entry will be drawings account at to bank account. So next we will study the last account. You write third one, nominal account. Then after that you can solve any problem. So nominal account, real account, personal account and nominal account. Okay, it is very easy. Nominal account. So you write this account contains the accounts of all expenses and losses, and all incomes and gains. Okay, so this account contains the accounts of all expenses and losses and all incomes and gains. Expenses and incomes, expenses, revenues, that only related with the nominal account. One thing you have to remember, real account means assets. Okay, then person means name of the persons or artificial or representative person. Here means all expenses and incomes, that is nominal account. Losses, gains means paid, received. What all the items paid, paid salary, paid wages, paid carriage, paid traveling expense, paid office expense, paid sundry expense, paid advertisement, that is expenses. Incomes, received interest, received rent, received commission. Okay, that is incomes. So if that items are coming, what is the rule? Okay, so if example, if you can write example, you can write rent. So if it is received income, if it is paid expenses, rent, salary, then commission, advertisement, office expenses, legal expenses, traveling expenses, carriage, and all other expenses, and incomes. One thing, incomes, interest also you have, right? Interest paid, dividend paid, interest paid. Before that, interest paid, interest received, commission received, dividend received. So that you have to think all incomes and all expenses and incomes. If it is received means income. If it is paid means expenses. Okay. That is nominal account related with expenses and incomes. Okay. So what is the rule that I will tell? Over now. Items. So what is the rule? Right? Rule is, it is very easy. Debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. Debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. Very easy. Same like personal account. Here also we have to look. If cash is received, cash debit. If cash is paid, cash credit. Okay. If cash is received, cash debit. If cash is paid, cash credit. So one thing you have to remember here, debit all expenses and losses. If it is expense, you debit that expense. Then cash you have to adjust. Cash will be credit. Cash will be credit. If it is incomes, credit all incomes. That income you credit, opposite will be cash. Same like a personal account. If it is a receiver, debit, opposite is cash. cash or bank? Okay, so first example. Example you write paid salary. Paid salary rupees 10,000. Paid salary rupees 10,000. Paid means it is expense. Is it correct? Paid means it is expense. We paid expense. So what do we have to do? Expense, debit or credit?
Debit.
Expense in this rule, debit or credit?
Debit.
Debit all expenses. Is it correct? Debit all expenses. So expenses is debit. So what is the general? Anyone? Entry will be salary account debit to paid through cash only to cash account 10,000. Next one more, received commission. Here commission is our expense or income? Basil, expense or income?
So income.
Income. Debit or credit? Income.
So credit.
Credit. Very good. So credit will be commission. Received through cash only we are receiving everything. So to commission. So entry will be cash account debit to commission account. Okay. So amount if it is 3,000, suppose 3,000. So 3,000. So 3,000. Okay. So next ability we will continue some examples. Now you understood the rule. So our golden rule is over. So if you know this rule, then you can solve any question. Okay. So we will do some more problems related to nominal account. Okay. So you have to study the 3 types of account and its rule. Then you have to revise the transactions. So if you know, then you can solve any problem. Okay. So it is very important topic. On this base only we will do the ledger. So if you have any doubt, you can call me. Okay. So thank you. Have a nice day.